back to my channel. So today I am back again with another I tried following a blanks makeup tutorial challenge. I love this challenge so much and it is so fun to watch. So I thought, being an Indian, I should probably follow along with another Indian YouTuber's makeup tutorial, and today I am following a Shreya Jain's makeup tutorial. I think you must know her already. If you don't, I'll put her video in the description box below, so if you can check that out. Yeah, I love Shreya so much. She's so fun to watch and always so jolly and energetic in her videos. I love that about her. So yeah, I am doing that. Today I am following her black smoky eye makeup tutorial, which she did a couple months ago, from the Shadi Saga. So I love that makeup look so much. Actually, the outfit, the jewelry and the makeup was on point, so I'm doing that because I also love me a good black smoky eye. So we'll see how it goes, and if you're interested, please keep on watching.
I'm starting off with the NYX Illuminating Primer. This is a nice alternative to Becca Backlight Filter. It's not exactly the same.
So she's using a illuminating primer. I don't have one, so I will use my Nivea Aftershave Balm.
Taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, I'm just gonna apply it all over my face first with my finger, just dabbing it on. I love this foundation. Whenever you're going for a bigger occasion, make sure that you use a foundation that you are quite sure about.
Okay, so I'll be using the combination of these two. This is the Fit Me foundation and this is the Wet n Wild foundation. I love this too, and the combination is really nice. So yeah. So I did my foundation and this is how it looks. I love this combo. If you haven't tried it, please give this a go. These two are like dream combo. So yeah, let's see the next.
For my concealer, I'm using a MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Again, I'm really confident about this concealer. So I'm just dotting it on my under eyes with the sponge first, and I'm going to be blending it out with the sponge as well.
So I don't have the MAC concealer. I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand 20 and do the same.
I'm also highlighting the centers of my face so that my face has a nice 3D dimension to it.
So she's also highlighting the middle portion of her face really slightly, so I'll do so.
Taking Shade and Light palette, what's different? I'm just gonna set my under eyes with the non-existent yellow powder. I really need to get it.
So she's using a yellow powder to set her eyes, so I'll be using this one to set my eyes too. I'm using my L'Oreal powder to set my face. Now move on to contouring.
I have moved on to contouring, but that's like something very usual for you guys. I'm using a Jessup Duo Fiber brush. It comes in a pack of 15.
I'm going to use this powder from the Makeup Revolution palette. Then next,
highlighting, blushing, everything. I'm not going to highlight with this one though. I'm going to use a different brush. But yes, I'm just going to move on to my blush, which is the Essence Blush Up blush. These are really affordable and great quality, you guys.
So for blush today, I'm using a Maybelline blush. this is the color. I'll put the name in the description box below. And applying it in the apples of my cheeks. I think it's a little much, so I'll take my compact and do a little dusting.
Taking MAC Soft and Gentle Eye, I'm going to highlight my face with a big
I'm using this
fat
one.
fan brush. Now this is a very generic
Using a
brush,
strong
there's no brand for
finish.
everything.
Taking the products, a generous amount, and then
Then I'm taking the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer and I am obsessed, you guys.
I'm using rose water.
You really do need to buy it.
I don't have that. I'm using my rose water. So the face is done, and now move on.
Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using Maybelline Fashion Brow and I'm just going to draw on my eyebrows like I would normally do.
So I'm also using Maybelline Fashion Brow, but this is the one with the powder in the one side and the pencil in the other. So I really like this. I don't have the one she's using, so I'm using this and filling in my eyebrows.
To set them brows as well as to add volume to them, I'm taking a Sense Make Me Brow and I'm just going to brush it through.
This is how my brows look with the pencil, and now to set them, I'm using my mascara and just lightly setting the eyebrows. Now, moving on to the eyes.
Taking PAC Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to be taking this color right here. This palette is literally everything you're going to need for a matte smoky eye.
I don't have that. How many times in this video I'm gonna say I don't have that, I don't have that. So I'll put all the links of my products in the description box below, so please check the description box out. I'll be using a bunch of palettes to create the eye look, so please check the description. For my transition, I'm using this color from the Wet n Wild contouring palette and putting it in my crease. So taking this orange shade from the Wet n Wild palette, taking this dark brown shade from the Makeup Revolution palette, taking this black from the same palette,
I'm also taking the black on my lower lash line, and then turn by turn I'm going to take all of the colors that I used in my crease and in the same order but the reverse same order, and I'm
So I finished off the other eye. This is how it looks. I love this actually. So let's see the next part.
a big fan. I'm taking same Soft and Gentle in my inner corners. This is a highly important step for me, and I'm also applying it under my brows.
Okay, so I'm taking the same Makeup Revolution one and highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone area. Done. Then
and they look even smaller. So highlighting really opens them up. Taking Maybelline Colossal Mascara, I'm just going to work it into my eyelashes. I did apply false lashes off camera.
I don't wear lashes and I have the same mascara. So let's put it on. The mascara is done and now let's move on to the lips.
And taking Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton. It's not a nude, it's not a brown, it's somewhere in between. And
yeah, the color is really stunning, but I don't have exactly anything like that in my collection, so I'm going to make my own and mixing these two lipsticks. This is from Rimmel and this is from Nykaa, the Nykaa own brand lipstick. I think this is really close to what Shreya wearing, so yeah, a budget friendly option for you all. So yeah guys, this is the completed look. I just added some earrings and my mantika like Shreya, and now I'm all ready to go to a wedding, but sadly I don't have any invitation, so I have to remove this makeup like in 15 minutes, but that's sad thing. But I just loved recreating this look. Oh my god, a black smoky eye is always perfect and she just nailed it, and I really love this look. I think I did a pretty good job. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, all the products I have used, that will be in the description box below, so check that out. And yeah, thank you so much for your love and support. I love you guys so much. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also hit that notification bell right next to the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So with that, I am signing off for now and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!